Hello everybody, this is Francisco Martinez for Java 2, and this is week one's project. So we were supposed to use fragments to actually have a list view with a list of API stuff, as well as once you select it, the information would show up on my detail activity view. These are just a couple examples. Unfortunately, when I try setting it up, it doesn't seem to want to go through. I'm assuming that it's just um, the JSON information that I'm using. I've been trying to figure this out for the past couple of months now, and it doesn't seem to want to work for me. Every time I try using this, it doesn't want to work. So I'm assuming now that it's just not that. I just needed a better example. By the way, don't mind how this looks. This is actually for the project that's due this week. These are the cosmetic changes, but that'll be for the next project. But to show that it does go online, press do task. As you can see, it does connect. And from here on my logcat, you can see that it does connect to the web. It does have the API, the API information, but it doesn't want to display it. And like I said, for some reason I feel like this is just the wrong API to use because it just says this at the end of it. Hold on. It's just right here. If I can get it, or I forget it. But anyway, it just says that it just won't do it for some reason. I don't know. Just take a quick look at my code. Setting it up wasn't that bad. I was able to find a tutorial to make everything separate, to make everything work in a separate file. So this would make it go online. This provides the JSON information, and yeah. So this is how my getters and setters and everything like that. So everything was supposed to show up, but unfortunately it doesn't want to show up the way it's supposed to. My async task is right here. Usually I have a little progress bar that would show everything. Actually forgot to comment this out. But yeah, once again, it's mostly because the API, I think I just have the wrong API. I'm not using it right, and it's just not gonna work for me right now. One of my biggest issues also was trying to get my action bar to work, and for some reason it wasn't working. So, but now I got it working. Something was going on with it. But other than that, that's pretty much everything that I've been trying to do, and obviously it was just the API that it just doesn't want to work with me. So other than that, that's pretty much it, and you guys have a good night.